A very good morning to the honorable judges and everyone who watched my presentation today. I am Muhammad Adam Iskandar from Sekolah Kebahasaan Datuk Wan Kemara, Kedah, Malaysia. Would like to present our innovation tool called Nico Food Measuring Device. Nico is automated feed measuring device which is high technology of the 21st century. The problem statement of the existing food measuring device is that it is not fully automated and has some problem with the flow of the device that will be used. The existing device, which is mechanical, move really are time consuming. Second, some of the devices are not portable to carry around the heavy. Third, both of the devices are only for a certain gender and type of shoes. Last but not least, the capability of the device is to give a perfect reading in minimum time use. Nico Food Measuring Device is a tool specially designed to help customers our shoe enthusiasts to own their favorite shoes either from within the country or abroad without having to worry about the accuracy of their actual foot size. Presently, consumers had problem on looking for their right size of shoe that costs time, constraint, and patience. Therefore, we create this device to help the people, especially to solve problems that miss match between foot shoe size and save time to get the size of their shoes accurately. Using the foot measuring device, the accuracy of a person's foot measurement can be taken precisely in Japan, UK, and Euro measurement. Simultaneously, less than 3 seconds, the use of 6 sonar sensors will detect the overall size of a person's footprint and placed on a foot measuring device. The signal detected by the sonar sensor will be displayed on the LED display which is used to allow the customer to get a foot size measurement reading that determine the shoe size that fits their foot, whether in Japan, UK, and Euro measurements. The use of the device is more efficient in terms of improving the accuracy of shoe size in various sizes, whether in Japan, UK, and Euro size. It is also lighter and very easy to operate in a short period of time and can save costs. The cost to build Nico Food Measuring Device around Ringgit Malaysia 100 that equal to Euro 41. To create this device, there are 4 steps involved, which is design of body, circuit, and system fabrication and testing. The first part in designing the main body of Nico is to have a strong, durable, and yet light in weight material to support the weight of the feet while not neglecting the weight of the device itself. Hence, the material that is chosen is acrylic. Although the weight of an acrylic is heavy, this device is small in size. Hence, reducing the weight of the device. Second, it is the design of the body. It must have a large amount of space to put a single fin and small enough to be carried. It is also have a stand that situates a monitor and a switch for human interface. Thickness 1.0 cm. Length 46 cm. Width 25 cm. Height 17 cm. Design of circuit. For the device, Nico is not using mechanical movement to find feet size. Instead, it will using sensors. In order to calculate the size of the feet, Nico alternate sensor has its capability to calculate in the range of 2 cm to 400 cm. The sensor type is HCSR04. In order to calculate the size of the feet, Nico will be used 2 ultrasonic sensors that are attached at the front and back. It will give a clear line of the feet that is situated in the middle of the NICU. There are also a monitor for user interface, which is a 16x for LCD, which will be placed on the stand of the NICU foot measuring device. The monitor will show the size of the user's shoes and also will declare any problem notified design of system. The system are designed based on the basic needs of an automatic foot measuring device for it to work properly and achieve the objective. NICU system have 4 stages of program until it will declare the shoe size. The first stage is the selector program. This is clear because NICU is developed to begin friendly hands. The existence of selector program is futile. The program uses the three-way rockers, which has an interface for user to declare the gender of the user. The main body of the selector program is if-else program. The second stage is the ultrasonic program. Without this program, the ultrasonic function cannot be used. In order to find the foot size in NICU, there will be 2 or more ultrasonic sensor programs that will be situated neck to neck. The gap between 2 separate ultrasonic sensor program will be filled by the delay program so that it will not cause any unwanted error. Result you will get is in centimeter. The third stage is the arithmetic program in the if-else selection. From the both ultrasonic result, it will be inserted into a simple arithmetic program. The reason is to use it as Archimedes' principle of displacement. Then the result will follow down to the if-else selection program to show the size based on the result. From the arithmetic program, the last stage is the display program on LCD. The main purpose of this program is to be the initial and the final interface for the user in order to choose and gender and also read the size given by the 3 initial program state. The result of stage 3 will then run into the display program to be displayed on LCD. As a conclusion, the development of NICU as an automatic foot measuring device is to change the old one. The objective of this device have been followed to ensure that capability of this device to serve as a fully automatic foot measuring device. The weight of this did follow the objective types above, which is light enough to be carried around and also for easy handling when using the device. The program are also being modified from the existing program so that it can be used in this device and give a perfect impact in a good way. Still, there are few setbacks within this device accurateness, where it cannot give a stable reading due to an unpredictable program. Overall, NICU will be able to be the newest automatic foot measuring device in the market because of its capability that is portable, accurate and fast, so it can benefit in the world. That's all for today. Thank you.